so many other things to so many people. She was born on the 20th of January 1978 at Livermore Hospital, the beloved daughter of Louise Rowley and Henry Stewart. From a young age, Hayley was surrounded by family, love, and friendships that would remain an important part of her life. She attended Bailey Road Primary School before going on to Penrose High School. It was during her school years that Hayley formed friendships that would last a lifetime. To this very day, she remained best friends with Marissa, Nanasi, Tanya, Nadia, and Lily. These friendships were more than just friendships. They were bonds built through years of memories, laughter, growing up together, and being there for one another through life's many chapters. During her school years, Hayley also found something very special. Her high school sweetheart and the love of her life, my dad. Together, they built a beautiful life and were blessed with 3 boys, Eli, Caleb, and I. We were a huge part of my mom's heart, and becoming a mother was one of the most important chapters of her life.
In 2002, Andy and I moved to Sydney, where we began our new chapter of life in Aussie Park. Moving another country and then building a new life, creating new memories and finding their place in a new community, forming new friendships along the way. Kathy was always a shoulder to lean on for my mum and a true friend during the years of raising the children together and for many years after. Through it all, Hayley continued to be the person that family knew and loved, someone who cared deeply, loved fiercely, and treasured the people and things that meant the most to her. And then of course there was the babies, another kind. She loved the cats. Hayley had an incredible love for the cats. They were not simply pets to her, they were like her children. She leaves behind 7 of them, and I don't know if we can take care. Hayley's life was made up of people she loved, the relationships we built, the memories she created, and the simple things that brought her happiness. Today, although our hearts are broken, because we have to say goodbye far too soon, we also celebrate the life she lived. We celebrate the little girl who grew up in Auckland, the school girl who formed a long life friendships, and a young woman who found her high school sweetheart. A mother who loved her 3 boys, and the woman who made a new life in Sydney, and a loving soul who could never resist caring for her lovely kids. Sweetheart, Mum, Hayley, we miss you more than words can express. There will be moments when we will reach for the phone and call in, moments when we will tell you something, moments when we will say, sing a song, sing a place, and you're not there, simply just a memory. The physical presence may no longer be with us, but your love will always remain. You will look through your children, through your family, through your friends, through every memory and every story that we share about you. We promise to keep your memory alive. We promise to speak your name. We promise to tell the stories, laugh at the memories, and hold close everything that made you, you. Rest in peace, darling. You will be loved deeply and missed beyond words. We will never, ever forget you until we meet again. Forever loved, forever missed, forever in our hearts.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever.